Hello everyone, my name is Tasfai Haile. My presentation is a comparative evaluation of diabetes tracking app using Mars evaluation tool. As a part of technology growth, a smartphone plays a crucial role in the proliferation of mobile apps. Smartphone manufacturing and usage is increasing exponentially worldwide. In 2023, the number of global smartphone users is estimated to be 5.25 billion. The increase in smartphone paves the way for the increasing trend of smartphone app development. Health-related apps are among them. As of July 2023, over 350,000 health-related apps were available worldwide. Notably, among health apps, there are more than 1,100 diabetes apps available. As the availability of diabetes app increases, the quality of the app is a concerning issue for everyone. Currently, no diabetes tracking app quality assessment beyond star rating, which is more of a subjective one. So this study aims to evaluate the quality of the diabetes tracking app using an acceptable evaluation method, Mars tool. The objective of the study is to perform a systematic comparative evaluation of the quality of the diabetes tracking app using the Mars tool. The methodology: after developing a searching strategy, diabetes tracking apps were searched from the Apple Store and Google Play using a combination of the following key constructs: diabetes management app, diabetes tracking app, diabetes and tracking, diabetes and tracking and app, diabetes and tracking and app in quotation. All duplicates were checked thoroughly and removed. The title and description were checked closely to ensure the app relevance for eligibility checks. Exclusion and inclusion criteria were applied for eligibility phase. After this, 7 relevant apps were selected for further comparative analysis. The inclusion criteria: the app should be a diabetes tracking app, free of charge, presented in English language. On top of this, the exclusion criteria: the app should not be a nutrition app, exclusively for non-diabetic patients, and workout or exercise guidance app, which is exclusively for non-diabetic patients. This flowchart shows how the selection of relevant apps performed. 783 apps identified. Of this, 629 apps were excluded at the screening stage due to they are duplicate or they are not a diabetic tracking apps. 154 apps passed for the eligibility check, and 146 apps were excluded since they do not fulfill the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Out of the remaining 8 apps, 1 app failed to open after download. Finally, 7 apps were included in the study. 2 well-versed raters selected for app rating independently. The inter-rater agreement were checked by Cohen's Kappa, and it was 0.8. The table is used for data registration for the included apps. The row of the table for the categorical and subcategorical evaluation item registration, and the column are for the included app name. The evaluated app in each category. The x-axis is the 4 major category of Mars evaluation, and the y-axis is the mean value of the subcategory of the evaluated apps. The line graph represents each evaluated apps. Generally, the lesser mean value app category is 2.8 and the higher is 4.75. Diabetes UK Tracker and One Touch Reveal apps respectively. As you can see, all apps move from left to right in the same fashion. This indicates the app developer uses Mars evaluation criteria as a benchmark. The graph also shows the functional category is higher and engagement is lesser than the rest categories, which implies the developer gave more emphasis to the operation of the app than attractiveness. On the other hand, the result converges together in the subjective category and diverge in engagement. This may be partly due to the rater inclination and insight. As you can see, all scores are above half point of the maximum result 5 score, which indicates the quality nature of the app. As conclusion, this evaluation revealed that Mars evaluation gives a valuable insight regarding the nature of the apps. The evaluation result revealed that the evaluated app have good quality both objectively and subjectively. As a limitation, a small number of apps were incorporated into the evaluation process, which may give us limited knowledge about the true nature of the number of available apps. And the inclusion of apps developed only in English language could miss the quality nature of the other language apps. As a recommendation, future research is required to incorporate more apps for evaluation and better design to improve the engagement feature of the apps. Last but not least, future developers benefit from using Mars as a benchmark. This brings us to the end of the presentation. I thank you.